Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today I've gotten a new toy. It's well, I recently bought a lawnmower, but today I have gotten a robot lawnmower. This is a used one. I have a good friend and his parents has gotten a new robot lawnmower, and they thought that I might enjoy this one. They told me that the batteries were going bad on it, so they knew that that was probably something that I could repair. It looks pretty cool. It looks like a race car of some kind. So I thought we should have a look at this and maybe have a test run on it to see how that works. I have never owned a robot lawnmower before. I have never tried a robot lawnmower before, so this is gonna be my very first go at it. It comes with this docking station for charging it. Let's go around the back and see what model this is. It's a couple of years old. This is a 2014 model. I am guessing very much that that is what that 2014 is at. Probably the 11th, might be the November of 2014. That's a good estimated guess. It runs on 24 volts, 22 centimeter. That's probably the cutting thing. Lawn mowing robot, and it's a WG795E type 2, 14.5 kilograms. That thing is not that heavy, so I don't think that weighs, well, I don't know. It's kind of made in Germany, so good quality stuff, Germany, thank you. So I want to check the batteries, so let's see if we can find those. Okay, so I moved the docking station out of the way. Oh, we can get a better view of this. Maybe turn it around. And we can see this is the Worx, W-O-R-X, Worx. I don't know how you pronounce that. Landroid. It's a Landroid. Meep meep. And it has plastic cover that when it hits something will vibrate and have the machine go the other way. So awesome. Let's I thought that the battery would be under the hood here. I really should clean this a little bit. It's full of grass, but really this is just to adjust how short it cuts the grass. So yeah, that's no battery there. So let's turn it around. So okay, we have some cutting action right here. I don't know if they are supposed to be swiveling around like that. Probably they do. Some new blades would probably be okay for this. It looks like they need to be changed out. I did actually get a whole bag full of accessories. Here, whole bag full of accessories. These stakes are to mount the docking station firmly down into the ground, because it's a bit hard at it when it comes tumbling up towards it. So staking it down is necessary. Then there is a wire that goes around to control the box or the lawnmower or the robot or the Landroid. And well, there are a lot of these stakes to put that wire down into the ground or close to the ground. So cool. I also got the manual for it, so I have been cheating and reading. So the battery compartment must be this one. So I think I'll find a screwdriver and we'll go into that. Screwdriver, let's get it out of here. Wonder which screws to remove. Do I remove all of them? Let's try with the 4 outside. There are two here. They might be for something else. Okay. Yes. Oh, okay. This is the battery department, apparently. So this is the battery. Big unit. I really need to clean this. So Okay, the batteries are inside of here, 24 volts of batteries in here, and there are more screws. So let's remove some more screws. Oh! It's just two regular maintenance-free batteries. These are exactly the same batteries that I use in my UPS. There's two of them in here. Well, they're not expensive. If these are bad, I can surely find a couple of replacements for those. These are just like, I think 20 pounds or something a piece. So no problem there whatsoever. Let's measure the voltage and see if they're any good. So we have a multimeter here. Okay, turn on. AC, DC. Okay. Can we see? Can we put that anywhere where we can see it? Okay, first battery. Might be one of them that are bad. Oh, there is 12.6 volts on that one. That's not too bad. Let's check the other one. Oh, also 12.51 volts on that one. Okay, they don't seem too bad. There are some coats on these. I don't know if there's no, we don't get a date on those. Maybe 2013, if that's a date. Oh, and oh, there's a sensor wire here for temperature as well. It looks like that might be a thing. Yeah, we have a temperature sensor right there. So if the battery overheats, it will do something else. Very nice. Okay, so from what I can see, the battery should be okay. Nothing bad. Oh, what is that? Oh, there is a fusey thing here. A big beefy whatever. It says, what does it say? It says 100 on top of it, so it's probably a 100 amp fuse. That's a lot of power. 24 volts, 100 amps. Okay, cool. This is pretty awesome. 24 volts in this configuration. I could easily replace this with lithium ion cells and have a BMS control this instead. This is something that could be rebuilt to be even more awesome. Nice. I'll put it back together. Okay, the blades on this are really bad. I don't know what has happened to these, but they are not good anymore. So we're gonna try and replace those as well. Now that it did come with spare parts, so gonna try and take one of these off, and I'm gonna show it to you. This looks like crap. It's not gonna be cutting that much grass. So yeah, there is really room for improvement right there. I have replaced all 3 blades here, and the idea is that if they hit anything, they're gonna be rotating away from it instead. So the force of it spinning will make it cut the grass, but if it hits anything that it can't cut, the blade will move out of the way. So that's how that works. That's pretty cool. In here I have a transformer for the robot lawnmower, and I have plugged that in, and I have a wire going out into the garden. So it goes that way, and it goes over here, and I have mounted the docking station right here on the grass, and it has this wire that the robot lawnmower will follow. So this is the in wire for the lawnmower for when it wants to go charge. It will follow this wire and go into the docking station here. And I put this wire around here, made a tiny little square for it for this awesome demonstration. So we'll take the lawnmower here. Okay, it might be 14 kilograms. There, put it in there, and we'll turn it on. And the language is in Danish, and there is a password for this one. There, and it accepts the code. We can go back. And it starts. And the neighbors' kids are here to see the lawnmower. So it finds a wire and then it turns in another angle. And it finds my fish pond as well. And it complains about that. Okay. Very amusing to see the robot running around here. And it goes up to the wire, sees the wire, turns around. There is not much grass to cut here. The grass has been cut just the other day, so there is not much for it to do. Well, so suddenly garden work isn't as hard as it used to be. So, cheers. It got out. How did it figure that was a good idea? Okay, I think it figured out that it's lost. Damn. Let's see if we can find the docking station now. I have straightened the wire. Okay, it seems to want to go to the docking station, but it's gonna go into that plant. Cheated a little bit. No, 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 no. Now you're outside. Go inside. There. Finally. And it's red over here. So apparently it's kind of an art form to make this little course for it so that it will find the docking station right and not do stupid thing like it did over here with that plant. So okay, this is just a lot of fun to play with. I don't know, I have a lot of obstacles in my garden that would be a problem for a lawnmower like this. I have this lip over here where well, it would not be able to handle that one, so I would have to make the wire go the other way so that it wouldn't be going in that all the time. Also, it would be able to drive out of the garden over here. Not a good thing. Let's see down. Also, yeah, there's another way it would try and make an escape. All of this I think would be probably good, but I have this thing down here where it would probably most likely get caught up, so that would have to be handled in some way as well, and it would not be able to do that at the moment. Also, if it goes down in that mess, probably not a good thing either. So according to the manual, it will be charging for at least the next 2.5 hours. In that time I'll do something else. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again doing something completely different. Have a nice day. Bye bye.